Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Apple Cash is active in wallet and identity verified so purchases go through. Once done, check iOS is up to date and you have reliable connectivity. This prevents transaction errors. Next, load funds. Either add money to Apple Cash or link a debit card for instant top-ups. Do this now so the in-game purchase can complete without delays. Keep your device unlocked and Face ID ready when you reach the game's payment screen. Open the game store and tap the exact item you want, then choose Buy to call up the App Store payment sheet. Make sure Apple Cash is selected. If it isn't, tap Change and pick Apple Cash from your payment methods. Authenticate immediately with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. This confirms the charge and reserves the funds. If the purchase shows pending, don't leave the screen. Wait for the confirmation banner so the game recognizes the transaction. After authorization, confirm the item appears in your game inventory and check the App Store purchase history for the receipt. This is your proof. If the purchase didn't complete, immediately verify Apple Cash balance, daily limits, and your bank card status. Also toggle airplane mode off and on to reset connections. If problems persist, save the receipt ID and contact the game developer or request a refund through the App Store. That receipt speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.